Notion doesn't currently offer a built-in feature for justifying text like you might find in word processors. However, you can achieve a similar effect with a few workarounds. Use a code block. Create a code block. In Notion, create a code block by typing /code and pressing enter. Paste your text. Paste your text into the code block. This will give the text a uniform width, simulating justified alignment. However, it will also have a monospaced font, which may not be ideal for all uses. Use table or column layouts. Create a table. You can place your text inside a table cell. With the right column width adjustments, you can visually simulate justified text by aligning your text in a column and adjusting the cell size. Use columns. Notion's column feature allows you to split the page into multiple columns. You can adjust the weight of each column to help control the text layout. Custom HTML embed. If you're familiar with web development, you can create a custom HTML page with justified text and embed it in Notion using the embed block.